Thought for the day. Successful leaders engage in deep study. This habit develops their ability to make the right decisions. 1. 17-year-old Indian squash player Anahat Singh won the women's singles title at the World Junior Squash Championships. By defeating Egypt's Ruqayya Salam, she ended Egypt's 16-year dominance in the junior category. She is the first Indian to win this title. She also surpassed the record set by Joshna Chinnappa, who was the runner-up in 2005. 2. The government has constituted a high-powered task force, chaired by Nandan Nilekani, to reform the examination system and prevent paper leaks. This committee will suggest technological solutions to prevent paper leaks and make the National Testing Agency, NTA, transparent. It includes several experts, such as former ISRO chairman S. Somanath and IIT Madras director V. Kamakoti. 3. Sarnath, an ancient Buddhist site in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, has been included in the UNESCO World Heritage List. The listing encompasses Sarnath's archaeological remains in the Chaukhandi Stupa. It was here that Lord Gautam Buddha delivered his first sermon after attaining enlightenment. With this addition, the total number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India has risen to 45. 4. Kerala has launched the Digital Square initiative to promote technology in primary schools. The program aims to develop skills such as gaming and animation among children. Additionally, a Cybersecurity Protocol 2026 feed and an educational monitoring platform named Tharapadham have been launched. 5. The Andhra Pradesh government has launched an AI-based city flood alert platform for accurate urban flood forecasting. The system can predict rainfall 48 hours in advance and issue flood warnings 6 hours ahead of time. It has been rolled out in Vijayawada, a city prone to flooding from the Budameru River. 6. Indian weightlifter Mirabai Chanu won the gold medal in the women's 48 kg category at the Commonwealth Games by lifting a total weight of 190 kg. This is the country's first gold medal in these games. She has become the first female weightlifter in the 96-year history of the Commonwealth Games to win 3 consecutive gold medals, in 2018, 2022, and 2026. She also set new records in the snatch and clean and jerk events. 7. Word of the day. Praxis Mission. Praxis is a proposed space mission by NASA. Its full name is Planetary Rings Autonomous Exploration with In Situ Sampling. In this mission, an AI-equipped robotic spacecraft will approach planetary rings to collect samples of their particles and subsequently study their composition and structure. The objective is to gain a close understanding of planetary rings. NASA has selected the Praxis mission for the 2026 Innovative Advanced Concepts (NIAC) Phase 1 program, paving the way for the mission's design and preliminary testing.